techniques to the variety of Loofa chosen. The narrow paths will help with irrigation and drainage. Prepare seedlings for a plant population of 4,400 plants per hectare. Place one seed per hole, not too deep. The depth equals the size of 2 seeds. Place the trays in an improved nursery. Ensure good ventilation. Maintain constant moisture. Seedlings are ready to transplant 8 to 10 days after sowing. Harden it 2 to 3 days before transplanting. The trellis should be in place before transplanting. Transplant in the late afternoon, preparing holes not too deep or too shallow. Place insecticides in the holes if needed. Always use safe practices. Transplant the seedlings not too deep, not too shallow. Space the plant 50 centimeters apart in one row per bed, depending on the variety's specifications. Water after transplanting. Replace seedlings if needed in the days following transplantation. If problems are observed, discuss with local experts to find the best solutions. Refer to our Loofa crop guide. Apply fertilizers regularly in small quantities at the tip of the root. Follow recommendations. Prune the vine of old leaves. It will improve ventilation and decrease disease problems. Regularly observe the field. To prevent infection from spreading, sick plants and weeds must be removed and destroyed. Harvest Loofa in the morning or late afternoon, handling the crop carefully. Place the harvest in a shadowed, well-ventilated area.